Hello everyone, in front of me is OUKITEL WP36 and let me show you how to use secret codes. First, open your phone dialer. Now go to keypad and let's start with the shortest code, and it's *#06#. And here you've got device information with both email and serial number included. So once you want to get email or serial, just enter this short code and it would be displayed. Another code that you can use is *##, 225 ***. Here you've got the calendar info, so all upcoming events saved in every calendar that you have connected with this device would be displayed right in front of you. You don't have to look for it. And the last code that I want to show you today is *##, 426 ***. And here we've got FCM Diagnostic Mode, so you can smoothly check events and status here. If you'll tap on More and mark Advanced View, you can get a bit more knowledge. So this is it. This is how you can enter and use secret codes on your OUKITEL. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.